Continuing with Section 7 best options, um, I would also allow weeks transition for the teachers to move their classrooms, including a small stipend for their extra time. I would also follow up with all parties to ensure that there's a smooth transition. Set up a meeting with the counselor, Ms. Gunsman, to address my issues and concerns I had with how she dealt with the Hernandez family, as well as setting up a meeting with the superintendent, Dr. Harvey, to address the code issues that are not being um, addressed and any future concerns that I or the Hernandez family have dealing with the situation. Section 8, implementing the decision, I'd begin by meeting with the superintendent, Dr. Harvey, to approve any classroom changes that are necessary, as well as a timeline for that transition. I would create that timeline with him and have it approved. I would then have a faculty meeting specifically with the teachers that are affected by the classrooms being moved and explain to them why they are being moved. Then I would set up a meeting for the Hernandez family, Miguel, and the attorney if necessary, to lay out the timeline and any modifications that needed to be made at the time, and explain and thank them for their cooperation. As we follow through, I'd follow up to ensure that it's a smooth transition for all parties involved. After the issue is resolved, I would then set up the meeting with the counselor, Ms. Gunsman, to address my issues and concerns, and hopefully in a similar situation in the future, she would handle it in a different manner and definitely include me in that decision-making process first so we could resolve any issues before something similar would happen. And lastly, I'd set up another meeting with Dr. Harvey to address the code issues and plan for future resolutions to resolve those issues as well. In Section 9, my program standards, I have them highlighted throughout my case study. Thank you for listening.